Actually, Hannah, could you hand this down to me? This is so long. Thank you. Okay, I'll take it now.
You know this is recording, right? Look at those pants.
Can you see how it looks down here now?
Okay. Jeez, we should have done this sooner. Okay.
This is this video is spin, and now this way, behind the door.
Behind the door. Oh, I see the tunnel.
Anyone home?
I don't see anything. Be careful.
That's
That's
spooky
as far
sounding.
as what? Can you meow?
Just listening to the road, it sounds spooky down here. Meow. Meow. They might have put a nest really far off. I'm still not seeing anything.
Yeah, me neither.
Meow. Tazzie. You down here, darling?
Be careful.
Okay. Can you see anything better than I can?
Nope. The quality isn't all that great.
Okay.
But no, oh, hold on. No, I don't see anything, but the quality got a little better. Looks like a freaking Martian scape.
Yeah, I'm not totally sure which direction you went up
Well,
here.
we're not having much luck, so why don't you have to see if you can meow again?
Tazzie might have went out and about for now. Let's go see if it's hiding really quietly.
Let's try rattling snacks. I thought I heard something.
What did you hear?
I thought I heard meowing. Not you, but
Okay.
it's really a stretch. But I thought I heard little tiny meows.
Oh.
Did you hear anything?
No.
Oh, okay. Got all black.
Black? Yeah, I started looking at a different direction.
Yeah. Aim it up at the rafters. I want to see what our floor looks like.
Floorboards.
They look pretty doggone good.
Mhm.
The floors in this room look awesome. So we're sitting on top of 2x4s, right? Not 2x4s.
Yeah.
2x6s.
There's
8.
the voids there.
Yeah. But what's holding it? It's the dirt, right? So
Dirt. Yeah, just dirt down here.
it's not even a flat cement floor, right? Just dirt.
Yeah. Big clumps of dirt. Kind of like if a bunch of little rocks got bundled up into bundles.
Oh. What, Hannah?
That way, it's a nice sized gopher hole. I can
Do we have to do that right now? Jacob, check it out. Sarah's under the house. And I'm recording it. The floor underneath here looks really
Hi,
good.
Jacob.
Like, oh, say hi. Say hi. Hi, Sarah.
Hello.
Yeah, yeah, but look at the floor joist under there. I mean, part of it's not even being held on. Is it gonna fit? Okay, he's busy. All right, Sarah, why don't you head back up? We can try again.
I'm getting out now.
What's the heel? Not those nuts?
And there's that beam.
Alright, if it doesn't, we send it back. No biggie.
You see that bit right there?
Where? What am I looking at?
Right there.
Yeah? Where's that?
That big wood log beam there. That's part
Yeah?
of floor down here. Wires in the Swiss cheese wall.
Where am I looking? What am I looking at?
I'm out of the odd gap and back into the regular basement area.
Okay, so that's a shelf. Yeah.
You're looking towards the direction of our bedroom.
Okay, where's the hot water heater?
Hot water heater? Right there.
Okay, where's that?
Near the window.
There's the window. And the hot water heater's like right across from the stairs? Right next to the
Yeah.
window.
At the stairs.
Mm-hmm.
Right on my other side.
Alright.
Looking
Now,
up at you.
what else is over there? On the other side where that shelf was. I know that's the cistern. Look under the...
Self?
Yeah. Where are all the gopher holes?
Just past it. Like, you see the biggest one over there?
Okay. Alright.
Then a bunch of little ones about to place down here. Light might not be pointing at them right for you to see them right.
Yeah, I see some holes. I just can't tell what they are. But those are the gopher holes. Those are the mouse tunnels, the rat trap holes.
Yeah, gophers and rabbits probably.
Yeah.
There's a bin.
Mm-hmm.
The upper.
Alright, can you
and over here is where they get in and out.
Okay. And where's
that
that
area there?
What is that relation to the house? Is that the gopher hole over by the wood pile?
That way goes just to the backyard where the laundry line is.
Okay, that side of the house. Okay.
Yeah.
It should be, then that's the same side as the window.
Yeah.
Alright.
Window.
Window. Keep going. I want to go to the water heater. Wasn't there something behind the water heater?
Look behind the water heater?
Yeah.
Webs and
yeah.
gaps.
Alright, can you look over the top of the cistern? Very carefully.
Cistern? Okay. Without dropping the phone in it?
Yeah, and flashlight either?
I'm looking into the cistern now.
Is it wet? Is that water? How far?
I dropped a rock in there one day. Oh, I do
Yeah.
see water.
How
You
deep?
see it?
Yeah.
I don't know.
I can't
I'll
tell.
throw a pebble in.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Be careful with the phone though.
I'm looking that way. Now listen for
Okay.
the pebble.
I'm listening.
Did you
Yeah, I
hear
heard it. All right. That's
it?
my
Okay.
bath water. You're welcome.
Yep.
All right. Well, I guess that's done exploring. Best we could do.
All
I
right.
was kind of hoping some thrifty person who didn't like banks hid some money down there that nobody found. Bag
Yeah.
of gold, silver
I'm coming
coin.
up again now.
Okay. Talk to you later. In a minute.
Okay.